Hey honeycrunchers, it's me Jham, and for day 7 of my 12 days of Christmas nail art, I'm showing you guys how I did this holiday float nail art. Let me use this diagonal pattern. Then I'm filling it in with 2 colors. Then set it aside to dry. Now I'm applying a fast drying top coat onto my white base. Then after letting that dry a bit, I'm stamping the design. And as for my thumb, middle, and pinky nail, I'm doing a dry brush design. Then after that, I'm using this design. Now I'm filling it in with colors. Then of course, stamp the design. Then after all that, apply top coat. Make sure to tune in tomorrow for day 8. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!